The electric vehicles market is getting stronger each day as legacy car makers and new vehicle manufacturing brands are relentlessly bringing in new electric vehicles. Lucid Motors has been under the spotlight for a while now due to the cars it is promising to deliver in 2021. The flagship sedan goes by the name Lucid Air Dream Edition. Booking this car has recently been closed after just 6 months of opening. In this video, we will look into what makes the Air Dream variant so desirable and what do other variants have to offer. There is an important question on everybody's mind. Will it give the Tesla Model S Plaid Plus a run for its money? We will also discuss how the company is claiming that the vehicles will be better than Tesla models when they were initially released. A lot of questions will be answered in this video and interesting facts will be shared, but first, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel if you are not a subscriber already. You can also hit the bell icon so you don't miss any video we put out. Your comments and feedback are very important to us. You can also navigate through the video using the timestamps in the description. With that said and done, let's get on with the video. Lucid fully booked with over 500 orders. After just 6 months of being available, the bookings for the top-of-the-line Lucid Air Dream Edition has been closed. People who wish to book a car are put on a waiting list. Those on the waiting list will be given a booking in one of two ways. Firstly, they can get a booking if any one of the people with confirmed bookings decides to cancel their booking. The other way is when Lucid will start the bookings of the car again. This is no ordinary feat for a car manufacturer entering the EV business for the first time. There is no confirmation about the number of cars booked from Lucid, but Inside EVs has stated that there are more than 500 bookings of the car. This can be translated into the fact that Lucid has attained orders worth more than $85 million for a single variant of its EV model. These are not simply sales figures, but the trust that people have put into the company. The company planned to deliver these cars in the second quarter of 2021, but it was delayed until the second half of the year. We will discuss the reasons for the delay later on in the video in the words of Lucid CEO Peter Rawlinson himself. All eyes will be on the EV maker as it will make its first impression on the market. Delays in launch and quality concerns. Lucid stated that the delays in launch dates of Lucid Air are well under control of the company's management. These are being done strategically. As mentioned earlier in the video, CEO of Lucid Motors Peter Rawlinson has stated that the delays are due to attempts at refining the product. Lucid does not plan to release substandard vehicles that will reveal their faults when under the ownership of customers. A very blunt statement was given by the CEO in which he took Tesla's name and said that Lucid does not wish to have a start similar to Tesla's. The cars delivered at the start have to be perfect in every aspect. It is no secret that Tesla had a lot of problems with the cars sold at the very beginning. Those mistakes were not so serious at the time as there was very little competition in the EV market. Tesla's cars were forgiven due to the fun factor and uniqueness they had. It has taken Tesla almost a decade to deliver problem-free cars to the public. Doing the same mistake as Tesla will be catastrophic for Lucid Motors as times have changed drastically now. There are now several brands with competitive cars in the EV market. Lucid will have to face all of them now. Having faulty cars will drive Lucid out of the competition in the blink of an eye. Effects of the pandemic on Lucid's production. 2020 has been a rough year for car makers all over the world. Lucid, as well as other car makers such as Tesla and Rivian, have been facing production delays due to the global catastrophe. The CEO, Rawlinson, has come forward to clear the name of the company and state other factors. According to him, the production delays were not just due to the internal operations of Lucid. The company has more than 250 suppliers and 3,000 parts that it acquires. Delays in those also led to late production. Poking fun at Tesla. Like Elon Musk, Rawlinson has also been quite vocal about everything going on in the EV world and how it affects Lucid. He recently commented about Tesla that it is an innovative company, but not at all a luxury car maker. Tesla has been giving its customers fun, fast, and innovative cars, but at the expense of luxury features. These are such features that must be in vehicles priced so high. Tesla owes its customers an explanation for all that. Specs of the Lucid Air Dream Edition. The Lucid Air Dream Edition is no ordinary car. It is an electric vehicle filled with tons of specifications and features. No wonder it has been so desirable among the electric vehicle community. Let's take a look at what Lucid is bringing into the market. Many EV makers such as Tesla do not reveal the power figures of vehicles, but Lucid has decided to do something else. Lucid has mentioned that the Air Dream variant will have 1,080 horsepower available with the help of 2 motors. It will be powered by a 113 kilowatt-hour battery pack that will also add to the drive stability of the car. Interestingly, the 0 to 60 miles an hour time for the car is just 2.5 seconds. This is a very interesting figure as it is just a tiny bit longer than the much-awaited Tesla Model S Refresh Plaid Plus. The Model S will be able to do 0 to 60 miles an hour in 1.9 seconds. It is indeed faster than the Lucid, but we must keep in mind that Tesla has been making the Model S since 2012, while Lucid will be debuting its car. It has an estimated range of 465 miles with a stylish 21-inch wheel setup. The price of this variant is set at $169,000. A federal electric vehicle tax credit is also applicable to this car that brings the price down by $7,500 more. Other Lucid Air variants. Lucid Motors is offering other variants of the Air so that it can cater to a large variety of buyers with different budgets. Let's take a look at the options other than the Air Dream. The Air Grand Touring's price starts from $139,000 but becomes $131,500 after the federal tax credit. It has a range of 517 miles and 800 horsepower. The Air Touring's price starts from $95,000 but becomes $87,500 after the federal tax credit. This one has 405 miles of range and 620 horsepower. The Air Pure's price starts from $77,400 but becomes $69,900 after the federal tax credit. Lucid gives 406 miles of range and 480 horsepower. From the looks of it, Lucid is coming at Tesla with full force. Specifications and prices of all these variants can be put side to side with those of the Model 3 and Y, based on different variants of the cars. As mentioned before, these variants of the Lucid Air also give variants of the Porsche Taycan and Audi e-tron GT a run for their money as well. Lucid Motors has a lot going on for it at the moment. It is, however, a time to be very careful and take all decisions strategically. If the company plays its cards right, other variants of the Lucid Air can also get booked to maximum capacity. It cannot be denied that one wrong move from the company can also mean the company going bankrupt in the first few years or even months of operations. Many thanks if you made it all the way here. Hopefully, we were able to share some new information about Lucid and its upcoming plans. What are your thoughts on closing the orders and Lucid's delays? When will Lucid start releasing cars? Let us know in the comments down below. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that thumbs up. It will help us to understand our audience and allows YouTube to suggest similar videos to you. Thanks for watching. We hope to see you in the next one. Stay safe.